What's up guys? This is Chris's Vlog 69 back with another vlog, and today we're going to Vegas, baby. Maybe if Eric actually comes out of his house, huh? But yeah, I'm prepared. About to go meet up with the rest of the gang. So yeah, I should probably fill up my gas tank to full in order to make it to Vegas, because right now we're in the IE. It's already 5:33. So we're already behind schedule. Hey, finally decided to show up.
What is up guys, Chris's Vlog 69 here. I'm about to go on another adventure.
Keep my hands on myself. Think I'll dust them off, put them back up on the shelf. Just a little baby girl is in need. Am I coming out of left field?
So we're like halfway through Vegas, and that's the world's largest thermostat. It's supposedly 82 degrees. It feels hotter.
I guess you can say it's pretty lit. Really, nigga? There you go.
Hey, what is up guys? Julio Vlogs here. We're here with another vlog, but today we are in Las Vegas, Nevada. Yes, you guys heard it here. Las Vegas, Nevada. Just look how beautiful it is.
Who's gonna win?
Racing. Fuck, you know.
We got more weight, so we can rev it.
Have a nice day. You too.
Hey, what took you guys so long?
Sure.
Show you what it feels like. Now I'm on the outside. Oh, we did everything right. Now I'm on the outside. Oh, I'll show you what it feels like. Now I'm on the outside. Oh, we did everything right. Now I'm on the outside.
Stop reading it. You ready?
My bad.
So I found the perfect pair of socks for me. Yo, dude.
My dude!
My dude.
That's good! For you!
I'm on the outside.
Really, nigga?
We did everything right. Now I'm on the outside.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
We're here at Maiano's Little Italy, where my dad works, and he invited us over. So we're gonna try out the food. Woo! And go Knights. So I got this tattoo.
Yeah, go Knights. Oh, what? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to show that off.
I ain't got no tattoo, but I just got games.
Oh, okay. See, Victoria Gardens ain't nothing compared to this.
A little bit.
First one to finish.
How was it?
It's good.
Wait, what is this?
I have a tattoo.
I call it cheesecake. I call it cheesecake sauce.
Gracias.
Estamos haciendo para los que se graduaron. ¿Se graduaron?
Sí.
Ah, no, si no se graduaron.
Mira qué bonito Kevin.
Alright, so we devoured this, boys. The dessert, the foods. Thank you, Mayanos. Thank you, Papa. Gracias.
We are going to Las Vegas Airport. It should take us about 20, 25 minutes. Traffic maybe 30. Other than that, we're on our way.
Let's do it.
Really, nigga?
Sorry, I didn't mean to show that off. Yeah, I got a tattoo.
Where even is the Hoover Dam?
I think it's that way.
Yeah.
Hey Chris, hop in.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
What are we about to do?
We're about to fucking get high as fuck.
Literally.
Yes, we are.
Literally.
Yes, we are. We're sneaking into a military
51?
base.
Okay, which one of you guys is Damien?
Right here.
Number one. My name is Pat. Welcome to 5-Star Helicopters. I'm going to give you a safety briefing. Basically, my job is to keep you guys alive while you're on the ground, okay?
Go, boys! Available for purchase, says it right there.
Them a come.
got done. I bought a new shirt. I look pretty cool.
Mine looks better.
Hey, now stop. Yeah. Well, actually, we're gonna go head over to ZZYZX Road. I've always wanted to go there.